So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another app, that is YouTube video with Gemini. So first of all, click on Start Lab and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Here click on I agree and continue. Now a lot of you guys are facing some files issue. No need to worry about it, we'll fix it together. So first of all, what you need to do, from the navigation menu you have to open the notebook. So let me show you how you have to open the notebook. You can see, wait a minute. So yes, on Vertex AI and on notebook section we have to click on the workbench. So just open it like this. So it will take few seconds, so wait for it. So now here one important step we need to do, that a lot of you guys are facing issue like file empty. So first of all click on this and here click on the reset button. Now wait for the Jupyter notebook to get reset and then only we will move forward to the next steps of this lab. It's ready. Open the Jupyter lab and wait for a few more seconds till it gets loaded. If you face any kind of error, what you need to do, you need to close this page and again open the Jupyter lab like we did in previously. Now finally you can see the files are here. Now what we have to do, we have to open the YouTube_ video analysis file and just click on it. First of all wait for the file to load it and here we have to select Python 3 as kernel. So just select it like this. You have to just select it, no need to worry about it. Now here wait for the kernel status to go idle. Meanwhile we should set the project ID and region. So here is the project ID and region. Carefully replace it like this, and for the region also replace it like this. Now what you need to do, we have to install the Gemini SDK. So just click on this play button and then after that we'll restart the kernel. Once this part is done, we have to just restart the kernel. I hope you understand what we need to do. Once the kernel is idle, we have to just restart the kernel. For that we have to just play the button again. So now just scroll down a bit, play button like this. Let me show you how you have to just move to the next shell. So as you can see, the kernel status is now idle. Now the main thing is that you have to just come on this and click on this play button. Now you will see one pop-up. Sometimes pop-up comes, sometimes it doesn't. You have to click on OK. Wait for the kernel status to go idle. So just wait for a few more minutes. So it's now idle. Now what you need to do, you have to just run all the shells. So here is a simple way. You can use multiple times this play button or you can just run all shells at a time. So do not worry, I will tell you how you can execute. First of all, on run and run selected cells on all below. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. After that we'll be done with the lab. Now you can see the kernel is doing its work. It will take more than 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes even less, so wait for it. Now once you see the kernel status as idle, what you need to do is you have to just go back to lab instruction and check my progress for all the scores. Check scores for all the check my progress. Now what you can do, you can go step by step or just you can, if you face an issue like you see 90 out of 100, you can just go to that check my progress or just refresh the browser. You'll be able to see full score, and that's the way we have completed this lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.